Ensure all the characters stay consistent across the scenes by providing clear descriptions. Once you have your story and image prompts ready, you're all set for the next step, but don't rush this process. A great story is what makes kids want to keep watching until the end. So, take your time and make sure it's fun, filled with adventure, and easy for kids to follow. A well-crafted story will keep your audience coming back for more. Now that we have our scene prompts, let's create images using Leonardo AI, a fantastic tool for generating high-quality images. Here's how to get started. Head over to Leonardo AI's website and sign in using your Google account. It's quick and simple. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken straight to the image generation section. Now, copy the scene prompts we created earlier in ChatGPT and paste them into the prompt box. This is where the magic happens. When you're ready, click on the Generate button. Leonardo will produce 4 unique images each time, giving you different versions to choose from. For example, when I created the first scene of our story, Leonardo AI quickly gave me a variety of cool and different images of that scene. If want to keep the same style for every image, Leonardo AI has a feature called the seed. Each generated image has a unique seed number, which you can copy and use later. This helps you maintain consistency in style across multiple images. For bigger projects or multi-image stories, this is super handy. Once you've copied the seed, scroll to the advanced settings on the left and paste the seed number. This helps generate the remaining scene images with the same look and feel. However, before generating the images, make sure to double-check that the character features are the same across all image prompts. If not, copy the character feature details and add them to the image prompts. This ensures character consistency throughout the story. Leonardo AI gives you 150 tokens every day for free. That's plenty to create several images without paying a dime. If you need more, their paid plans start as low as $10 per month. Perfect for anyone who needs more flexibility. Now that we've got our images, let's make them more exciting by turning them into dynamic 3D videos using Haluo AI, Minimax. This tool makes it super easy to bring your images to life, and the best part is that as a new user, you get 3 days of unlimited access. During this time, you can create as many videos as you want without any credit restrictions. So make the most of it. After signing up for Haluo AI, you'll see an option to upload an image. Simply click on this option and choose the image you want to work with from your device. Once you upload your image, you'll need to add a brief description or instructions about what you want the AI to do with the image. For example, you might ask it to animate certain parts or change colors. After you submit your input, Haluo AI will process the image and, within a few minutes, turn it into a 3D animated video based on your instructions. Repeat this process for each of the images we generated using Leonardo AI. Once you're happy with the animations, download the videos. During the 3-day free trial, there's no need to worry about limits. However, the free version will include a watermark, and to remove it, you'll need to switch to the premium version. Once all your images have been turned into short 3D clips, the next step is to bring everything together using CapCut, a free and easy-to-use video editing tool perfect for beginners. First, upload all your 3D videos into CapCut and start placing them in the correct order, scene by scene. To make your video feel smoother, you can add transitions between scenes. This helps the story flow naturally and keeps your viewers engaged from start to finish. For the voiceover, we'll use the 11 Labs text-to-speech tool, which makes it super simple. Here's how. Head to 11 Labs, click on the text-to-speech option, and then copy the voiceover script we created with ChatGPT. Paste it into 11 Labs and choose a voice from the drop-down menu that fits your story. Once everything looks good, hit Generate, and if you're happy with the result, download the voiceover file. Next, go back to CapCut and upload the voiceover. Sync it with the visuals to make sure everything matches perfectly. If you want to make the video even more engaging for viewers, CapCut allows you to easily add captions. This is great for accessibility and helps keep viewers hooked. Finally, once your video is complete, it's time to export it. Select a resolution. 1080p is ideal for platforms like YouTube, then hit Export. And just like that, your animated story video is ready to share with the world. Now, you've created a fully animated, engaging video from scratch, and all you need to do is upload it to your platform of choice and start attracting viewers. And there you have it. You've just created an animated kids story from scratch, completely free and with easy-to-use tools. Imagine the possibilities. You can now create, upload, and start earning from your very own kids' videos. If you found this video helpful, comment below and share your thoughts. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.